Silently installing the Brother BRAdmin Professional 4 print management tool with custom parameters. A small amount of preparation is required, which I will explain in these 5 parts. Although this might seem counterintuitive, you first need to download BRAdmin and then install it in the usual way. Trust me, this will make sense later. Once installed, you can then make optional changes to BRAdmin's default parameters before exporting them into a custom setting file. This part is required even if you did not make any changes in Part 2. I will then show you the silent installation procedure, before concluding with a validation check to ensure the silent installer installed correctly. Let's get started. Part 1. Download and install. You will need to have BRAdmin running on at least one computer so that you can create the silent installer package from it. If you need help with the download and installation process, check out my other video. There is a link to it on your screen, as well as in the description. Don't worry, we will be waiting for you here when you get back. Once installed, you will need to retain the installation package, because it will be required later. Part 2. Pre-configure. This part is only required if you want to change any of the default parameters in BRAdmin. If you do not, then you can skip ahead to Part 3. To do this, open BRAdmin. Then click the setting icon and make the required changes. To show you how this works, I will make a change to one of them. I will click the Device Discovery tab, followed by the Discovery Schedule tab. From here, I will click the plus button and add a daily discovery schedule to run at 9 a.m. To confirm, I will click the OK button. My 9 a.m. schedule is now set and is what I expect the custom silent installation package to install with later. Part 3. Export settings and AMP preparation. Open BRAdmin. Then click the setting icon. Use the scroll bar to find and click the Backup Restore tab. From here, you will see 2 Create Backup buttons. You need to click the one under the Backup Application Settings heading, where you will need to export the settings file to the same location as the BRAdmin installer. If you do not have the BRAdmin installer, you will need to re-download it. Click the OK button to confirm the export, and the Proceed to close BRAdmin. By now, you should have a setting.ini file and the BRAdmin installer in the same folder. You need to make a small change to the .ini file. Please open it in a text editor. Find the line that reads no GUI equals no, and change it no GUI equals yes. With this done, save and close the file. Remember that you need to keep both of these files within the same folder. It does not matter where they are as long as they are together. Part 4. Silent install. I am now going to show you the command needed to silently install BRAdmin with the custom parameters I previously configured. I will be doing this in a Windows command prompt, however, you can automate it via batch and PowerShell scripting. For testing purposes, I recommend you try this in the Windows command prompt at least once. From the Windows command prompt, I am going to navigate to the folder which has both the BRAdmin installer and recently exported setting.ini file. To confirm this, I use the Windows command dir. I now need to type the full name of the BRAdmin installer. In this example, it is setup_BRAdmin Pro for the 20th of January 0000.exe, followed by the silent installer parameter. Start by typing a space after .exe, followed by a /s, followed by another space, followed by another /v, and immediately after the V, a quotation mark, followed immediately by the words cmd equals silent, before concluding with another quotation mark. I can now press the Enter key. Please be aware that because the installation is silent, there won't be any indication to show when it is complete. Usually, it takes between 1 and 2 minutes. You can find this full command in this video's description. I will now conclude this video with validation. In other words, to validate or check that the silent installation was successful and that it installed with my custom parameter. Remember that this was the custom parameter that I configured in Part 2. Open BRAdmin. If you see any of these messages, it means that BRadmin has not yet finished installing. Click the OK button and wait another 30 seconds. It should eventually open. Upon first launch, you will be invited to opt into the Brother Application Improvement Program to share usage information with us to help make BRadmin better in the future. I will opt in, make a few selections, then click the OK button. I can change these settings anytime from the setting menu in BRadmin. BRadmin should automatically open and begin searching for devices. Now that it has found them, I will click the setting icon, and then the Device Discovery tab, followed by the Discovery Schedule tab, to confirm that the silent installation successfully installed with my custom parameters. If you made any additional changes, I recommend you check them as well. If any of them are different, go back to step 2 of this video and try again. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider giving it a like.